Microphone check, check. Microphone check, microphone check. Hey there, just wanted to make this quick status update. Just show off a couple of features of my new thing. As you can see, I've got a few boot options here. That's something. This one, the default one, just restarts it, but this one is a JavaScript prompt. If I do 1 + 1, it's 2, obviously. But over here, this is all of the, this is the module that's running in the environment right now, which I can disable that, but I won't. So what that means I can do is I can list anything. It just uses a for const k in loop to enumerate all of the items in, sort of a larger object. So I can list BIOS, I can list BIOS.frame, I can list BIOS.frame.method, and that's odd. I'm also going to want bios.frame.link.name if I want to list frame.link. That's all the methods of what I was actually just looking at. So if I want to do list, let's see, what's pretty good. How about bios.teletype? So we've got cursor, color, and quick. Oh, I should make a quick last one. Quick. Huh, weird. There it is. Yeah, that's weird. I guess I can't find it. Anywho, what else do I want to do? Let's do bios.frame.method, bios.frame.link. There we go. Anywho, let's do teletype.clear. There we go. And what I can do is I can open a larger line, so 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 2, so that should be 6, and then I can go back, and now I've got all this here, and I can modify little pieces of it, but not completely. Yeah, there we go, we get 6. So if I want to do list BIOS, and oh, well, let me, so if I want to do list BIOS plus list, let's do a new line, and then plus list, bootstrap, see how that goes. Yeah, and you get both of them. And I could probably also create a good templating thing, but if I just want to do BIOS list BIOS, and then bootstrap, no. Anywho, but list bootstrap dot, let's do registration, and then list. So this is basically a tool to search through the entire system, and I could take some of the code and put it somewhere else. But yeah. Shell, and this is the program wrapper. Yeah, there we go. So we've got extensible shell wrapper. Yeah. So then if I want to do list bootstrap dot registration dot store, or actually if I just want to do, now you got to be careful with this because this can completely modify, shit. That's weird. Oh, yeah. 0, and then if I want to list that, I probably can. Yeah, there we go. That's all of the constructor stuff. Yeah. Anywho, so if I want to list bootstrap dot, let's do frame UI server. This is the actual like program for the BIOS boot manager. So then if I want to do selection should be 6. Oh, it's undefined now. That's fine. And then the restart subroutine. Oh. Yeah, there we go. It's got reboot. It's got everything. And I bet I can figure out. Need to zoom out. Whew, it's a lot. It's definitely a lot. Well, I think the initial function is in there, so if I do just search for a bit. Yeah, there we go. Get my zoom back. So hey, it's restarted. So yeah, sys.js prompt. I've got some programs that I haven't fully worked on yet, but a few options here just do nothing. And then a couple just repeat some letters, which is nice. Go ahead and cancel. And if you hit backspace, it'll disable the timeout, but if you restart, it'll bring it back, so. And then this one. Yeah. Pretty cool, right? Right? Yeah. Gotta get some more stuff working, but. Yeah. But yeah, if you just want to view this up here, yeah. And I understand that that's not totally in frame, so let me see. Application capture. No, window capture. That's too bad. Yeah, there's a little bit trailing off screen. That's, yeah. Oh dear. Oh dear. Let me see if I can try to get that. I can just do display capture. Yeah. I bet I could. It doesn't quite capture the full image on OBS. It's weird. Should be capturing it. Oh, maybe it's this. Why is it cutting off the top bar? It's weird. It's quite weird. It's still doing an application capture. It should be doing... There we go. No, and it did it again. Should be doing... Not activity monitor. Display capture. Why is it not? It's weird. OBS is being weird. Yeah. Maybe this one will work. Ah, there we go. Yeah, this one works. Ah, the joys and the wonders. So yeah, there's all of that goodness, and as soon as I restart it, the console over here is gonna go away, so that's unfortunate, but I'll drop a link in the description and the comments for checking this out. You can install it as a progressive web app, so that's pretty cool. And let me see if I can... There we go. Yay, and that still works. Cool. So if I want to do a program, let out for... Oh, and I should have up and down for moving through this too. I can work all that out. K in... What can I do? Let's just do window. And then... Yeah. It's pretty cool. And if I want to do window application, there we go. List window application. Yeah, so if I list window, yeah, that's pretty cool. Anywho. iCLOS, Crash Boot, Core OS Research Group, Atkinson Institute, Aubergine and Caliper Quick and Dirty Operating System Project, Hackers Network Associated. Hack the planet! Hack the planet! Hack the planet! Shut up and get in the car.